Kalangari, say saka, equally conaze, she did, I check a ya pleasantly, tattoo, tappy, missing make you know me, what believe in Tareka, why English after now, what do I need to say? I can't kiss or I don't yama. Say go in there to the girl. Left to some book your data. Malova, please carry a tip of book where you're happy. Teta. Cannot be free. Below take up your tongue, down to the outside. So can I know you come to the done. She did, but take a ya pleasantly. To be missing make you know me. What believe in Tareka? Why English after now?